Hello, what's up guys? I'm Nikki and you are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So in our last video we were discuss about how to set IDE and the compiler for start programming, and in this video we will discuss about how a computer program works. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, as you can see, this is the simple program of the C programming, and this contains it a program is made up with the pieces of functions. Okay, all the functions are work for a particular work. As let me give you an example. I am dragging my mouse and this is the function, and I click on this extensions, and this is the second function, and I have here click on this search bar, this is the third person. Like this, every program is works like this for with the use of functions, and every function works for a particular task. Okay, and this is the very common and important function in the program main. It is used to print or any statement or whatever you type on your output screen, and it starts with these curly braces. Whatever you have type in this between these curly braces is called function. This is contained in this main function. Okay, so under this function we need to if we want to type something in C programming, we just need to type printf. Okay, wait, as I am going to print f, then parenthesis, and then semicolon, and this is the function. Printf is the one function, and main it is also function. So this is the piece of functions. Okay, so for type something in our printf function, we just need to type printf, then parenthesis, and then we need to type double our quotes. Okay, so okay, as you can see, in my first function I have typed technical Nikki, and in this I want to type hello Nikki. You can add many statements as you want, and after this function we have to type semicolon. Semicolon means this is the end of the line and go to the second line. Okay, computer know only the machine language, he can't understand my own language or your language. Okay, so in this case we need to type the semicolon for tell our computer about go to the second line and read this and then execute all the code. Okay, and this is the include files. It means this is the header files of the program. Okay, before we start a C programming, we need to tell our program to include all the functions or keywords of the C language. Okay, so this is helpful for know our program for the keywords and the built-in bunch of functions. Okay, so int main, and this is the return 0. If the program return 0 to the main, it means it executing or running, and if the program return 1 or more value to the main, it means there is an error. Okay, so as I am going to now I am going to print this text on the our output screen. So go to the terminal tab and click on new terminal, and here you just need to type, okay, wait, type gcc, then space, type your file name. My file name is first.c. okay, after this you can see here a.exe file has been created. Okay, so now type a, then press tab from your keyboard, and then it will get this file a.exe, then hit enter. As you here can see technical Nikki. Okay, wait, I'm going to clear this and I'm going to save. If you get this white dot over here, it means your program is not saved in your library. So save it by the pressing the key Ctrl plus S. Okay, now I'm going to again type gcc space first dot c, then hit enter. After this type this A and then press tab, then hit enter. You can see technical Nikki, hello Nikki, and the second line is hello Nikki is not in the second line. Okay, this is the these two statements are in a single line. So we didn't tell our computer to type this second line in a new line. Okay, so we need to tell our computer for this. So you just need to type this / and then n, then save your program by the key combination Ctrl plus S, and again type gcc then first. Okay, wait, you can directly type A and then hit enter. Then sorry, okay, no, we need to do complete task. Okay, gcc, then type file name first dot c. After this go to A, then tab, hit enter. You can see now these both statements are in a new line. Technical Nikki and then hello Nikki is in the second line. Okay, I think you get this process of the program, how it works and how computer understand a program. So thanks for watching, guys. We will meet again in the second tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe my channel for support me, guys. Okay, bye bye.